whole 4-wheeler. But that bitch gonna be done when I finish with it. 300EX. That's a 250EX, but bored over silicone to 300EX. So shit, like do what it do. Fresh brakes all the way around on this thing. Almost coming from the ground up with it. About to rebuild the rear end. Just before I did it, I ain't even got it in yet. It's on the way. The parts popped in the mail. They on to make it here. We do the whole thing. My shit gonna be running by Friday. It's Saturday, I'm gonna have my parts by Monday. I'm gonna have the bitch in the field by Saturday. And anybody want to race me, I'm ready to race. Next Saturday, I'm gonna be ready to race. Need it. Yeah. And then I'm finna try to see how can I buy me a nitro tank for my shit. I'm gonna put some knots on my shit, and I'm putting some racing tires on my shit. Yeah. Then I'm gonna sell this bitch, and then I'm going to give me a 1300. I'm gonna cut up with it.